You need a ruler and compass to answer this question. So there's a compass and there's a ruler. A map of an island is shown on the grid. So this must be the island. Treasure is buried on the island. The treasure is the same distance from A as it is from B. Construct a line on the map to show all the places where the treasure could be. Okay. Well, if it's equidistant from A and B, I'm going to use this bit of a kit, and the way to do it is to make sure that the tip of the pen, or you should be using a pencil, is aligned with the tip of the compass. And then what I need to do is I need to draw two arcs. I need to draw one arc from B and one arc from A, and I need to make sure that when I draw the two arcs, the width of the compass stays the same. So, and it's got to be more than halfway between A and B. So if I just make sure that's more than halfway, now I'm going to really stick it in hard to B, and I'm going to drag it around, pulling it away from the pen. And then without letting the compass change, I'm going to stick it in A, and I'm going to do the same thing. Don't be afraid to move your bit of paper around. Drag it across, bring it backwards. Okay. So every point along this arc is the same distance from A. Every point along this arc is the same distance from B. And where these 2 points cross, this point here is exactly the same distance as A as from B. And the same is true down here. And if I draw a line between the two, these points will always be equidistant between A and B. Now, I need to be careful here because I need to show all the places where the treasure could be, and the treasure is buried on the island. Now, at the moment, I've shown a line that goes across the island but doesn't go all the way across, so I need to make sure that I put my line all the way across, and it's actually between the top of this arrow and the top of this arrow. These are the places the treasure could be. Here's out in the water.